Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock. We'll begin by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken bones, which can be from a rotisserie chicken or raw. For aromatics, grab some carrots, celery, and an onion. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a rich, comforting stock, perfect for many dishes. Next, combine your chicken bones, vegetables, and herbs in a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring it's about 3 inches above the ingredients. Slowly bring this to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Remember to skim off any foam that appears. This helps keep your stock clear and clean. Allow your stock to simmer gently for at least 2 hours. You can even go up to 24 hours for a deeper flavor. Once it's done, carefully strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve, discarding all the cooked bones and vegetables. For an even more intense flavor, you can reduce the strained stock by simmering it uncovered until it reaches your desired concentration. After your stock has cooled completely, you can store it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. For longer preservation, freeze it in airtight containers for up to 3 months. This homemade stock is perfect for soups, sauces, and gravies. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.